When you're building a Dynamics 365 or Power Platform application, can you be the product owner and the Scrum Master or developer at the same time? Hi, I'm Neil Benson from Customery, and I'm on a mission to help Microsoft customers and partners build amazing, agile Dynamics 365 and Power Platform applications. Here's a question I received recently from one of our Microsoft customers.
Hey Neil, this is Linda. I'm a product owner for a Dynamics 365 application, and I have a few questions for you. First of all, can the product owner role be combined with Scrum Master or developer?
Thanks for your question, Linda. There's nothing stopping teams having a joint product owner developer or product owner Scrum Master. And there probably are some Microsoft customer or partner teams who have built good business apps with a small team where the product owner role was combined. But I wouldn't recommend it. First of all, the product owner role is a tough role to fulfill. There's a lot to do. You're managing the product backlog, working alongside the Scrum team and looking after all the application's stakeholders. That's a full-time role for most product owners. Where are you going to find the time to also build application increments or coach the Scrum team? So capacity is a major issue. Another is skill set. The type of people who make a great product owner rarely also make great developers or coaches. That doesn't mean it's impossible, of course, but it's highly unlikely that if you're a good Dynamics 365 or Power Platform developer, that you're also going to be a good product owner. Perhaps product management is a career path that you want to pursue, and you'd like to develop your skills there, but trying to fulfill the product owner role at the same time as the developer role, it's going to drive you crazy. A better option might be to be a business analyst within the group of developers. Lastly, I think there's an inherent conflict of interest between the product owner's accountabilities and those of the Scrum Master and the developers. The Scrum Master serves the developers and the product owner and also serve the organization in its adoption of Scrum. The developers serve the product owner and are collectively responsible for their progress building the product. The product owner serves the application's stakeholders and is accountable for the value that the application brings to them. One of my clients, Frida Maher at the University of New South Wales, compared it to building a house. You have the homeowner, the architect, and the builder, and there will always be some of that tension between them. Sometimes the homeowner and the builder will think the architect's plans are crazy, or the architect and the homeowner will be frustrated at the builder's quality, or the builder and the architect will find the homeowner to be completely unreasonable. I'm just about to renovate my house, so that one hits a bit close to home. But no one has ever built a house where the homeowner, the architect, and the builder were always perfectly content with one another for the entire build. And I think that's a great analogy for our Scrum team, where we have the product owner, the Scrum Master, and the developers. If the product owner must combine her roles, she has to split her accountabilities and whom she serves. For tactical applications built by a small team, you might find it's possible to have a product owner combo, but I wouldn't risk it with an enterprise application or a larger team. If you enjoyed this video about the product owner role in Microsoft business applications, then check out this other video about how product owners spend their time during a sprint. Until next time, keep sprinting.